In this video we are going to see how to build a Python program which will help a user to check the validity of a password according to the requirements set. You come here and create a new file, a Python file. You have to rename it. Mine is gonna be password. It's gonna be password check, for example. That's my file, so you can call it as you want. So here is where the user will type a password. So now we are going to set the length of our password. If our password will be a minimum of 5 letters or 8 or more than 8, so it's okay. Let us create the length. So you create the length as you want as admin. Now all codes are supposed to be written inside of these brackets. Length of password. So you type the word you used there, you use the name of your variable, and come out, say that if the length of our password is less than, for me I am going to use 8 digits or 80 characters, less than or equal to 8. So now what the following is setting if our password will contain characters or will contain digits. So we are going to decide them there. You type enter and you type any. We are going to start with allowing our password to contain uppercases or capital letters. Let us use C as character. Character is upper. Is for character in password. We are going to set to our password is we are going to set our password to allow also small letters or lower cases. It's like that. So it's very simple because Python is like English and only mathematics. Here remember to add and it's only mathematics and English is lower for characters in password. We are also going to allow our password to contain digits, which will that's a requirement of a strong password. So we are now going to set if our password will also say contain a digit. You type character is digit. What we are going to do, we are going to set what will be printed accordingly. So if there's codes or if our password contains all of this, we are going to say that the system will print the password is valid. Now we are going to set if it doesn't match what we set. If it doesn't contain capital letters, small letters and digits, the system will print the password is not valid. We are now going to run our system. This is where we are going to type our password. For example, let me type from 1 up to 8. You know, this password is 8 digits, but it contains only digits, so the result must be invalid. So the password is not valid, you see. Even if I can add capital letters only, for example from 1 up to 6 MP, the password is gonna be invalid too. But when I add digits, capital letters and small letters like that, the password must be valid because we have all requirements. That is how we build password validator in Python. Thank you for watching this video.